Installing the Munster finger throttle. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to insert this bypass. Then you're going to insert the heating element. That's a little bit difficult to push through this space here, but nothing too bad. And then you're going to run the heating element cable through that gap right there. You want to make sure that doesn't get pinched. So you can see it comes out here on the other side. Then you're simply going to adjust these two screws to get the finger throttle at the position and angle that you want. Then the next thing you're going to do is adjust your tension. So you basically take the rubber boot off, undo the locking nut, and adjust that until your finger throttle is just touching your handlebar. There should be no space there, and as the instructions say, no excess tension on the cable. After that, it's just a matter of putting the sled back together.